My story begins when I was 11 years old. I lived in Dominican Republic. We have some of the best beaches. It's such a beautiful island. But here I was at 11 years old living my worst nightmare. You see, when I would come home from school, I wasn't doing homework. I was cleaning up blood. You see, my mother would get beat by my stepdad every day. And so I was living this nightmare, and I would go to school and I didn't know who to speak to, and so I was bottling it up inside. The last thing you want is to have anyone feel sorry for you. And so I bottled that up and I didn't tell anyone, but things kept getting worse. And so the last time I saw him hit my mom, I ran away. I pawned my necklace and I bought a one-way ticket to New York, and I was homeless in New York for 3 months. Had it not been for those friends, my life would have probably been completely different. And maybe you're not going through stuff like I was, but maybe you know someone that is, or maybe you see someone that's quiet and that seems like they're alone and they're keeping themselves separate. At Teen Truth, we believe that the most important thing you can do with your life is to actually be the difference, to make a difference with yourself, with your community, with each other.